my name is Winnie and I'm the illustrator for Ginnie and Pinney Learn and Grow series. Today I'm going to read you a story. It's called Roll Up, Clean Up. It was the first day of spring. Ginnie and Pinney were having a noisy discussion with their friends. Friends, it is time for us to do a spring clean, said Pinney. I don't like cleaning, said Dodo. Cleaning can be fun when you do it together, said Miranda. It is good to have a clean and tidy house, said Ginnie. But it is more fun to play together than clean together, said Lulu. First we clean, then we play, said Tao. But as they continued their discussion, they noticed a very bad smell. What a terrible smell, exclaimed Miranda. Was that you, Ginnie? Asked Pinney. It's not me, said Ginnie. Pinney realized it was coming from Kevin, Kelly, and Kylie's treehouse. I told you it wasn't me, Pinney. We should have a look. Peering into the koala's house, the friends saw a big mess. Oh, this is terrible, thought Ginnie and Pinney. The koalas need to clean their house. The smell is terrible, and it is a big mess, the friends agreed. But Miranda didn't think it was any of their business, and Lulu thought the koalas might get cross if they told them what to do. Maybe they like to live in the mess, said Dodo. Maybe they are too busy, said Tao. But the smell was so bad, the friends had to say something. Koalas, your house is quite messy and very smelly. It is time for cleanup. The koalas couldn't agree. They began to argue. It's not my mess. Kylie made the mess. I don't want to clean. I don't like cleaning, and it's not my mess. Kevin made the mess. But it's not my mess either. Kelly made the mess. But they did agree on one thing. Cleaning is boring. Koalas, you should keep your house clean and tidy. It won't be boring if we do it together, said Ginnie. And no one will visit you if your house is dirty and smelly, said Pinney. The friends began to clean. Roll up, to the greatest cleanup. Our houses are spick and span. We like it that way, so we clean when we can. Come and join us and make it fun. Do a good job and then it's done. Maybe cleaning isn't boring. It could be fun. Everyone is helping. We should join in. The koalas were having so much fun, they didn't notice they were making their treehouse clean and tidy. Look how clean and tidy our house is now. And it smells good too. Good work, koalas. And good work to us too, thought Pinney. Thank you for helping us to clean our house. And thank you for showing us how to clean our house. And thank you for telling us we needed to clean our house. We're so sorry our house was so smelly. And we're sorry we didn't want to clean up. And we're sorry we were arguing. It's okay, koalas. You did a good job, said Ginnie. When the friends left, the koalas began to argue once again. "Next time, I will do the dusting and you can wash the dishes," said Kylie. "No, I like doing the dusting. Why don't you do the dishes?" "No, I want to do the sweeping." "I will do the sweeping. You want to do everything," said Kevin. "I think the koalas will keep their house clean from now on," said Pinney. I'm not so sure, Pinney," said Ginny. Peering into their house, Ginny saw another big mess. "Oh no," thought Ginny. "Oh no, not again," said all the friends. And that's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed the story and thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.